Finally, we got to claim the first airdrop since we started making videos on this channel, and although the allocation wasn't much, it was worth something given it cost us nothing to farm the airdrop. Distribute AI recently launched its mainnet, and personally I made $52 from the 1,302 DIS tokens I got for my allocation. I have a good feeling that the remaining 3 deepin projects we are still farming will deliver bigger rewards, especially Dawn Network and Gradient Network. So in case you haven't started already, I will leave the link in the video description for you to get started immediately. We have set the target of hitting at least $1,000 by the end of 2025, and already I have achieved 5% of that target. What is up, people? My name is Jesse, and if you are new to the channel, welcome to Airdrop Scout. Subscribe to the channel to get video guides and updates on airdrop opportunities. Also, I have created a Telegram community to ensure you don't miss airdrop updates given how fast the crypto space moves. So make sure you join the Telegram community using the link in the video description. Now, before I go on, I need to make something clear. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything is for education and entertainment. Today we are going to be farming one of the easiest airdrops to farm in 2025. 375 AI is developing a decentralized edge data intelligence network that uses AI and blockchain for real-time data processing and analysis. The project has raised $5 million and is being backed by the Sixth Man Ventures. Now, I will advise you to do your own research to understand the technicalities involved in the project. The project has confirmed that there will be an airdrop, and the beautiful thing is it doesn't matter if you started accumulating the test tokens 3 months ago or if you're just getting started. Accumulating test tokens will depend solely on your effort. Now, the accumulated test tokens will be converted to the actual network tokens at TGE. To farm the airdrop, we will need 3 things. We will need a Phantom wallet, the 375 AI mobile app, and Solana test tokens. Now, the first thing you will do is open your Phantom wallet and go to the video description. I will leave the link for you to sign up on the 375 AI mobile app. The sign up link will be in the video description, so just copy it and then come to your Phantom wallet. Once the Phantom wallet is opened, go to the browser tab of the wallet where you have this magnifying lens. Just press on the button and then go to the top and paste the link you copied. No, not this one, the link we copied. Now, once the page loads up, you have 2 options. You can either use your email to sign up or use your Solana wallet, which is the Phantom wallet. Now, because we are using the Phantom wallet, what you do is you first verify that you are human, which is by clicking this box. Once it reads successful or success, you now use your wallet. You sign in or you sign up using your wallet. So let me just do that again. Now you hit the sign in or the sign up button with wallet. Now you accept. Now, once this is done, once you have signed up, what you do is click on the 370 the button that will lead you to install the 375 AI mobile app on your phone. So I'm using an Android, so I'll just click on this button and it will take me to the Google Play Store page for the app. So what you do is you install it. In case if this is giving you issues, what I will advise you to do is just go to Google Play Store and search for 375 Go. Once it pops up, just go ahead and install the app on your mobile phone. Now, once the 375 Go app is installed on your mobile phone, before you open it, come back to your Phantom wallet and go to the home page. Now, because we are interacting with the testnet phase of the app, you will also need to enter the testnet phase of your wallet. So what you do is you click on the account, and then you click on this setting button at the top right corner. You click on it, and then you scroll down to developer settings. You click on it, and then you click on testnet mode. Right now, after you have done this, you can now go back to the 375 Go app. Now, once you open your app, it should look something like this. Now, what the next thing you should do is click on connect with wallet. Now, remember, we use the Phantom wallet, so the Phantom wallet has already been set on the testnet mode. So just click on your Phantom wallet and it will open up your wallet for you. What you do is just connect to the app. It will ask you again. You click the same thing, you connect, and then the app will load the home page for you. Now, it might show you this, but don't worry. What you do is just click on notify me. Then you enter your email address. Now, what this will do is once you are fully registered, it will send you an email to notify you that you are now fully on the app. Now, let me show you my own account and what the app entails. But before I do that, in case it shows you this, it will ask you for a referral code. So let me just go and get the referral code for you. So just in case it still asks you for an invitational code, what you type is small letter F again, small letter P, number 1, small letter C, capital letter N, small letter H, small letter C, small letter O, small letter I, small letter P, small capital letter B, small letter B, capital letter L, number 6, number 2, capital letter E, capital letter F, number 7, small letter U, small letter X, and then number 4. Once you have this, just click on send and it will register that. Now let me go and show you what the interface looks like once you get in. Now, once you get in on the app, your interface should look like this. So what the app does, it scans for signal strength of your mobile network, either your internet or your Wi-Fi, whichever one it wants to scan. It scans for internet strength. So each of these hexagons represents a specific area it covers. So as you cover each of these hexagons, it will count for you. So far for this epoch, I have scanned 767 hexagons. After this epoch, it will convert it to a number of test tokens. Now, those test tokens is what will be converted to the real network tokens at TGE. So if you want to see how much you have scanned so far, just swipe on that number and it will show you how much you have scanned. Now, I got this because lately I've been traveling a lot, so the hexagons have been counting a lot for me. That is what has made the difference for me to get so much. If you travel a lot, this app will be fantastic for you. Whenever you're traveling, just turn on your location, turn on your internet access and open the app. It will be reading for you. You'll just realize that you have scanned 2,000 or even 3,000 hexagons and you get a lot. Now, what you do is frequently check on the rewards tab. On the rewards tab is where you get to claim your allocation for the test tokens for each epoch. Now, one other thing we need to do is get the Solana test tokens that we will use to claim our allocations. So let me show you how to do that real quick. But before I do that, one thing you will need again is come to your account section and then copy your invitation link. Just click on invite a friend and then copy your link and share with people to join in on the airdrop campaign. I think I have a belief that this airdrop is going to be big for a lot of people. So all right, let me show you how to claim that. So I will leave the link for the Solana faucet in the video description. Copy it and come to your Phantom wallet, go to the browser tab and paste it and go to the page. Now once this opens up, what you need to do is choose devnet. Remember, you are choosing devnet. Now go back to the home page and copy your address. Just press on the receive, copy address, and then go back to this page, the browser tab basically. So what you do is you input your wallet address and then you enter the amount you want to get. Just enter 5 and then you confirm airdrop. The test tokens will be sent to your what is it called, your wallet address. So for the 5 SOL we entered, it is asking us to connect to the GitHub account, but because I don't want to do that, I'll just reduce the amount to just 1. So it seems whatever amount you enter, you're still going to enter, or you're still going to need to connect your GitHub account. So in case you don't have that, just go ahead and sign up real quick and connect it to the page. You can do this on any browser. Really, you can do this on any browser as long as you have your wallet address copied. Just copy it and request for the test tokens. Let me show you how much test tokens I have in my wallet right now. I still have 5.9 SOL in my test wallet. So far I have claimed 1,340 375 AI tokens, which is still in the testnet phase. Now this is what will be converted to the actual tokens when the network launches or goes live. To make the most out of this airdrop is by inviting people to join in on the airdrop campaign, and also to always remember to turn on your phone's location and internet access whenever you are stepping out. Now remember, nothing in crypto is guaranteed, so learn to manage your expectations. My name is Jesse, and here is another video that could make you $400 in free crypto.